Welcome back. JD here. Lesson 8. Until now, every value we computed vanished the moment the program ended. Today we change that by writing files to disk and reading them back. jdBasic gives you two simple commands. TXTWRITER writes a whole string to a text file. TXTREADER reads a whole text file into a string. That is it. No streams, no buffers, no close handles. Let us try them. Three lines. The first creates a string. TXTWRITER takes a file name and the string, and writes them straight to disk. Reading is just as easy. TXTREADER returns the full text. We print it back out, and there is the same message we saved a moment ago. For multi-line files, write each line separated by a new line character. Use char of 10 for that. Then split when reading. A 3-item to-do list, written to disk, read back, split into an array, and pretty printed. The whole save and load cycle in 7 lines. That is lesson 8. TXTWRITER to save, TXTREADER to load. For binary data there is also BINWRITER and BINREADER, which preserve raw bytes including zeros. In lesson 9 we leave the text terminal behind and open a graphics window. We will draw shapes, set colors, and put pixels on the screen. Until then, keep coding. Bye.